Alright, here we are. Just filling in this pond. Finally getting somewhere. A little on each side. Put that little fish trap in down here so nothing can really get out. The water drains through that. It's like a washing machine. It's got a whole bunch of metal holes in it. If you can see that. Probably. Anyway. Track came off while I was filling this in. I got down over there. Thought I could cross, and it ended up being a sinkhole. So I crawled out of there, and then I was working around up here, and you hear one of them rocks go in the track, and then you look down, and the track's off. So that's pretty much where I'm at. This track's off. I got this thing propped up in the air on the bucket a little bit. I also got this bucket laying flat. That's my camera mount. Here we go again. The second time. This is the other side now. I should have put the grease in it like I said I was going to, and I never did. Being lazy, just wanted to get something done. Now I'm paying for it. Doing the other side now. Putting the other track on. At least they'll be both tight after this. They'll both have got re-put on and re-greased. But until then, hopefully this one's a little bit quicker than the last one. It's not off as bad as the other one was. And it's the second time doing it. But I need to find the 14 and I'll see right here on the top. There it should be. Oh, fucking slappo. Pretty cute.
Hi, how can I help?
You can't, bitch. I wish you could. I just realized the camera's on the bucket. I was going to push the track, but hopefully I got it. Looks like I got it. Like clockwork, Betty. go grab a grease gun. And then bring that over with me. At least that was a fucking easy one. The last one was a bitch. Let me grab that grease gun, sorry. Probably gonna need another tube of grease. Maybe I'll get lucky. Doubt it. Hasn't been that kind of week. Getting humid already. Freaking 7:30. Yeah, make some noise. Tighten up. All right. Whew. I almost want that tire. That's it, out of grease. All this extra grease I'm going to pack into the bucket anywhere I can with my hands. Probably shouldn't do it right above the camera, but that's kind of where it wants to be.